Hello children, welcome to Junior Maths Olympiad online class. In today's video from 7th class, triangles and its properties topic we are going to discuss. So let's start with the level 1 questions children. Here is the first question. The triangle, 1 minute children. The triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of an equilateral triangle. Here we have an equilateral triangle ABC. In this we have midpoints. P is the midpoint of AB and Q is the midpoint of BC and R is the midpoint of AC. So by joining these midpoints we have formed one more triangle which is PQR. PQR. Now the question is, what is the nature of this triangle formed by joining the midpoints? This PQR triangle nature we have to find out. The given options are option A, right angle triangle, option B, obtuse angle triangle, option C, scalene, option D, equilateral. So which one is the correct? That we have to find out. So we have a theorem called midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem means for AB side D is the midpoint, for AC side F is the midpoint. The line joining the midpoints D and F will be parallel to its opposite side and half of its opposite side. In the it will be parallel, that is one condition, and its magnitude will be half of the opposite side. So this DF will be parallel to BC and it will be equal to half of BC. So this DF part equal to half of BC. In the same way, this DE part we can take half of AC. In the same way, EF part we can take half of AB, like that. So by midpoint theorem we will get these three conclusions. So since ABC an equilateral triangle as per given data in the question, here AB equal to BC equal to AC because all sides are equal in equilateral triangle. So here in the place of AC we can take AB. In the place of BC, we can take AB. In the place of AB, we can keep it same, AB. So these three measurements, DE, DF and EF will be equal to half AB. We are replacing BC with AB now. So that's why three of them will be equal to half AB. Half AB. Means these three are, this is equal to half AB, this is equal to half AB, this one is equal to half AB. Means the triangle DEF also consisting of equal sides. So this DEF, this small triangle which is formed by the midpoints, is also considered as an equilateral triangle. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Next children. Second question. In triangle ABC, 1 minute. In a triangle ABC, the sides AB and AC are produced to P and Q. So this is triangle ABC. The side AB is produced up to P. The side AC is produced up to Q. The bisectors of, bisect means by for two, sect means divide, dividing into two equal parts, it is called bisect. The bisectors of angle PBC and angle QCB intersect at O. PBC, this angle, this is the bisector, means it divides the angle into two equal parts, and for this angle PCQ angle, this is the bisector, it also divides into two equal parts. These two bisectors, they will meet at O. Then BOC, this is not jet children, it is angle symbol. Then angle BOC equal to how much? BOC. In the middle we have O, means the angle formed at O. The angle formed at O, it is equal to what? This is the question. Here children, here ABC, this ABC, this one angle, angle 1, and CBP, this total angle, angle 2. This 1 and this 2, these two are lying on the same straight line. So they form a linear pair. So angle 1 and angle 2 equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. That is one thing. Next, angle B plus, suppose if you take this angle as 1, because BO is the bisector of BCP. So if you take this angle as 1, this CBP will be 2 times of 1. This CBP, if you take one part as angle 1, then it will be double of that one part. So let's take 2 of 1. So this angle, in angle ABC we have angle B, and this is 2 times of 1. These two are equal to 180 degrees. So 2 times of 1 equal to 180 degrees minus B. So 1 equal to 90 degrees minus, this 2 will come down. This 2 will come down means 180 degrees minus B by 2 we have to write. 90 times 180, B by 2. So angle 1 value will be 90 degrees minus half B. 90 degrees minus half B. Because okay, still continuation is there. This is angle 1 equal to 90 minus half B. This is first conclusion. Next, again in the same way, this ACB, this side part, and BCQ, this total part, they form a linear pair. If you take this angle as 2, then this C part, this total part will be 2 times of 2. So angle C plus 2 times of 2 equal to 180 degrees. So in the same way, 2 times of 2 equal to 180 minus C, angle 2 equal to 90 minus C by 2. This conclusion we will get. So now, this first part, this second part values we have got, but we have to find this third one. Angle O we have to find out. So this first part, second part and third part, they are formed inside a triangle. The sum of 3 equal to 180 degrees. So let's substitute the values. 90 minus 90, it will become 180. We can take half common in these two. Half of B plus C we will get, plus BOC equal to 180 degrees. So but we have to find that BOC. This 180 gets cancelled. This BOC will be here. This half part will come this side. Angle BOC equal to half of B plus C will be remaining. But what is B plus C? This ABC are in another triangle. There A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. So B equal to, or A equal to 180 minus of B plus C, or B plus C equal to 180 minus A. So in the place of B plus C, we can take 180 minus A. So if you do cancellation, angle BOC equal to 90 minus half A will come. So this BOC equal to 90 minus half A. 90 degrees minus half minus, half this A part. 90 minus half A. So this is the solution, children. So answer is 90 minus half A or 90 minus A by 2. Option B is correct. Next, children. Third question. 4 triangles are formed by joining the midpoints of 3 sides of triangle. 4 triangles are formed. How? By joining the midpoints of 3 sides of a triangle. In first question we have discussed, no children. In the same way, ABC is the first triangle, P is the midpoint of AB, Q is the midpoint of BC, R is the midpoint of AC. This triangle PQR, will be equilateral. This already we have discussed. And this ABC also equilateral. It is given in the question. So this AP will become half of AB, PB will become half of AB, AR will become half of AB, RC will become half of AC, RC will become half of AC, BQ will become half of BC, QC will become half of BC. So these 2 sides also will become equal. Half of gets cancelled. BC, these 2 parts will become equal. These 2 parts are equal. These 2 parts are equal. Means these 2 equal. These 2 sides are equal. These 2 sides are equal. And this in this triangle, all these sides are equal. If you compare these 2 triangles, so then as per S congruency, side congruency, all sides are equal. So these 4 triangles will be congruent. So the answer is all the triangles are congruent. That will come. Next children, 4th question. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a square. In this figure, ABCD is a square. And EBC, an equilateral triangle. This EBC is an equilateral triangle. We have a square and we have a equilateral triangle. In the question, the measure of EAB is equal to how much? EAB. EAB means EAB. The angle formed here, EAB, is how much? That we have to find out. Here, EBC an equilateral triangle, children, which means all sides are equal, all angles are equal. These 3 angles each equal to 60 degrees. We will get that conclusion. So EBC, this part will become 60 degrees. And this ABCD is a square. Then each angle will be rectangle. So this ABC, this part will become 90 degrees. So in a triangle ABE, we got the measurement of angle B, which is 90 plus 60, which is equal to 150. So here, this is a square. So AB equal to BC. These 2 sides are equal. AB equal to BC. These 2 sides are equal. But this is equilateral triangle. In the place of BC, we can take BE. Or EB. We are replacing the side. So what we will get? AB equal to EB. So in ABE triangle, this angle we got 90 plus 60, which is 150, and this AB equal to AE. This conclusion also we have got. So if two sides are equal, their opposite angles also will get equal. This part will get equal. But in a triangle, the sum of three angles is 180. Out of 180, already 150 gone there. So the remaining two sides sum equal to 180 minus 150, which is equal to 30. But in that 30, these two parts are equal. So each part will be 30 by 2, which is equal to 15 degrees. Which is equal to 15 degrees. So here the measure is 15 degrees. Option A is correct. Next children, fifth question. In any triangle, the centroid divides the medians in the ratio what? In any triangle, the centroid divides the median in the ratio what? Let's see the solution, children. Here, what do you mean by median? The line joining the vertex and midpoint. 1 minute, children. Here, children, the line joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side, that is called median. So AD is the median to the side BC. In the same way, if E is the midpoint, then this BE will be the median. If F is the midpoint, then CF will be the median. And the point of intersection of all the medians is considered as centroid, denoted by the letter Z. Here now, this centroid is dividing the median into two parts. Upper side first part, downside second part. Like this. Or from the vertex first part, remaining second part. From the vertex to centroid first part, remaining second part. So each median dividing the centroid dividing each median into two parts. The question is, this centroid G divides the median in two parts, but in what ratio? Suppose if it is X and if it is Y, what is the ratio of the two parts? That is the question. So for this, we have to do a small construction, children. Whatever this AD part is there, we have to extend up to K such that this AG equal to GK. This AG equal to GK. With that measurement, we have to extend the line AD. And after that, we have to join this BK and CK. BK and CK. BK and CK. Now, we will get a triangle ABK here. We will get a triangle ABK here. 1 minute. We will get a triangle ABK here. ABK. In triangle ABK, as per midpoint theorem, this F is the midpoint, no, and we are drawing line this FG through C. So this G also, as per construction, AG equal to ZK. So G also will become midpoint of AK. Midpoint of AK. This FG is the line joining the midpoints and BK is the opposite side. So as per midpoint theorem, this FG is parallel to BK. This FG is parallel to BK, or FZ equal to half of BK. Half of BK. Half of BK. That is one thing. And in the same way, this AKC triangle, this GE will be the line joining the midpoints, opposite side KC. This GE equal to half KC. GE equal to half KC. That we can take. Or this FG is parallel to BD means this GC also parallel to BK. If EG is parallel to KC means this GB also parallel to this KC. So finally we will get this parallelogram BGCK. These two sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel. We will get a parallelogram. We will get a parallelogram. This is the parallelogram. In parallelogram, these two sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel. But in parallelogram, we have a property called diagonals bisect each other. If this is a parallelogram, then this diagonal bisect each other. Bisect each other means this GD part will be equal to DK, this BD part equal to CD. They bisect each other. But this AG part, equal to GK, but AG equal to GK. This AG or this GK can be written as GD plus DK. GD plus DK. So, but these two parts are equal. GD and GK both are equal. So, in the place of DK also, we can keep GD. So, GD plus GD, it will become 2GD. So, AG will be 2 times of this GD. So, this AG by GD, the ratio will become 2 by 1. So, if GD come this side, AG by GD ratio will become 2 by 1. Means the median AZ or the median line, it is dividing the centroid G, dividing the median into 2:1 ratio. Because AG we are getting 2, GD we are getting 1. So, the centroids divide the median into 2:1 ratio. Not only this median also. From the vertex 2 parts, from centroid 1 part. From the vertex 2 parts, from the centroid 1 part. In that way, it divides in 2:1 ratio. So, the answer is 2:1. So, option B is correct. So, okay children, let's discuss the remaining questions in next video. Thank you children. Have a great day.